So today I'm gonna put these SumoSprings on my ProMaster van. Got these guys from Vanlife Outfitters. It's supposed to beef up the back end of the suspension a little bit, putting a lot of weight in here. So we're going to see if we can slam these on. These are actually the fronts. Yeah, those kind of open up and go on the front springs. Looks like it comes with little Loctite. It's probably a good idea. And a couple more spacers, I guess, if you wanted to crank it up a little higher. Cool, well, let's start by getting the old ones off and
let's get our van high.
That was pretty easy. We're off to a good start. Hello, dog.
Sweet Pea's here to help you. How was that, Jay?
Well, I can tell you right now, we're going to call the landscaper.
Is the idea that it hits that spring, that boat?
So yeah, so the idea is when I take it off the jack, this will be on here, and they'll be tight. And I can show you the difference if you want to hand me one of the old ones real quick.
Oh my gosh!
When we were off the jack, that's how this sat. It was way up there. So you had all that movement in your van before you got to the bumper spring. One. See, we're pretty much right on top of those leaf springs now compared to the other ones. So every time the van sways left to right, it's gonna hit those leaf springs a whole lot sooner and just kind of take the top end heaviness out of it.
What's the blue bucket for?
The blue bucket, you'll find I've got soapy water in there. I feel like since I'm up here, I'm gonna clean these because this thing wraps around this spring right here, so you gotta get up there. So clean that, put some soapy water on that, so it makes it a little bit easier to get those on there, clean that up.
So far, has this been an easy project, Jay?
Yeah, I mean, very easy. So we do have a new van, so, you know, no years or miles really on it, so the things come apart pretty easy. And they're pretty clean, so far. So that's that one. Yeah, this is supposed to be the hard one. And there's the top. All right.
You in?
Yeah, that's in there.
Sweet. So actually pretty easy. Just what was the challenge there?
You got to get it once you get it up there. When it's in, it slides real easy back and forth. You can feel it's in. It's mostly done by feel, actually, but it's in there. That's it. Project complete.
Completely done.
Jack her down.
We just drove the van for the first time with the SumoSprings installed, and oh my gosh, what a difference. I totally noticed a huge difference. I mean, it drove better, like smoother, just, I don't know, way more sound. Like there's just, what a difference. So I highly recommend getting the SumoSprings for the Ram ProMaster.
Vanlife Outfitters. Get them on Vanlife Outfitters. Those guys,
yeah,
they're cool. Vanlife Outfitters.
Yes, definitely noticed a difference. Oh my gosh.